Alright, this is an unboxing video. I bought some stuff on Black Friday and came on Tuesday night. Actually, I didn't buy it on Black Friday. I bought it on the day before Thanksgiving. So I bought it Wednesday at midnight, a little after midnight. Saw this stuff on Best Buy was on sale. Well, not, I don't know about all of it. I thought buy one it was on sale. So anyway, so figure Thursday was Thanksgiving, so they probably didn't do anything. Maybe electronically it filed my thing, and then Friday somebody probably verified it, maybe started packing it. And anyway, I got it on Tuesday evening, and it said it was going to take until Friday, so I was pretty happy about that. So this, I believe, is one of 3 of the same things that I ordered for $10. This was $10 each. Yep, big box for a small thing. So a lot of packing material in here for basically a Sunpak 5555 Deluxe. Ooh, DLX. Holds a 6-pound camera. It's a universal tripod. I have another one. I have a Sunpak. Well, it's actually the one that's that this camera is on right now. It's 58 DLX, so that means 58 inches. This is 56 inches. I'm hoping that the tolerances are the same, because the reason I bought this, and I got 3 of them, is because I got another camcorder coming. But I also have I have 2 of the Targus 6600. Actually, I have 2 Targus 6600s, and I didn't like those. I thought the Targus 6600s were absolutely, they were clanky, like the oh wow, that's bad smell. Whenever you would move the tripod with the camera on it, the hollowness of the aluminum construction would make a really terrible noise in the microphone. Yeah, that's the plastic venting, I think, plastic smell. So, okay, so you can see it comes with a cell phone adapter. That's a clamp right here. See, this is a spring-loaded clamp. Here, I'll open that up for you so you can see what I'm talking about. I have to get behind the camera so I can see what I'm doing here. But basically, you can put your camera in between here, and this spring will clamp down on it. So your cell phone will lay here horizontally, and you can use the tripod to mount your cell phone on. You also use it with action cameras and other things too. Boy, I gotta tell you, that odor is terrible. We're gonna have to air this thing out. So it comes with a bag with a drawstring that's broken. So that's interesting. Well, you know, what do you expect for $10? Slides right out of the package. Alright, let's see what we got here. Yeah, it's definitely that. It smells. Yeah, so it's not the best construction. This is the main thing I'm looking for here, is this mount right here. It's like all this kind of stuff. If this mount is not wobbly, yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Good. Good. So it looks like this mount is going to be interchangeable with the one that I have this camera on right now. It looks like it still has the same like height adjuster. It has the extendable legs, but it's only going to go up to 55 inches tall, and it's got all of the same like things here for you to tighten and loosen and articulate. There's a level here too. There's a spirit level, which is nice. Yeah, so basically for $10 I got each $9.99. I got 3 of these, and they look like they're pretty good. So yeah, that's the unboxing video for the Sunpak 5555 DLX. 55-inch universal tripod. Maximum height 55 inches, minimum height 20.5 inches, folded length 20.7 inches. It'll hold up to 6.6 pounds. It itself weighs 1.45 pounds. It has 3 legs made out of aluminum, gear with crank. The head is 3-way video, photo/video. I don't even know what that means. It has a flip lever for the locks. It has rubber feet, which is nice. Not the plastic ones that... Now, the other... Okay, so here's the one thing, though. The Targus does have plastic feet, but it also has round feet, and they're kind of in here in a way that you can use them as a unipod. Like you can set the foot down, you can rotate your camera like that. So that's kind of an interesting feature. This does not have radial leg braces for strength, blah, 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 blah. All right, so that's about all. I don't know what else to tell you. There is a little like foam rubber grip, so you can grab one of them and your hand won't smell like metal. Yeah, so pitch, yaw, and roll. I've got all 3 of those. It rotates in 3 dimensions. And you've got your specific like height adjuster here to make it so you don't have to adjust the legs every time to the exact length. You can get close, and then you can use this to adjust it, fine-tune the height adjustment. All right, if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. That's your unboxing video for the Sunpak 5555 DLX Universal Tripod. $10 on Black Friday 2018. Oh, like, share, and subscribe, please. Especially subscribe. I need some more subscribers. Thanks.